Guys, here's another question. The velocity of sound in air will be doubled, underline doubled, if its absolute temperature is given to be unknown. So solution. What are the given parameters from here? Velocity of sound in air will be doubled, but you need to know the initial velocity, which is v is equal to v. Since it's doubled, you will now say that we have 2v. Is that clear? Then recall that the absolute temperature is given to be theta is equal to unknown. Are we here? So with this, but recall or remember that v is equal to the change in v. Then we also have change in theta, delta theta. Okay, so that our parameters now given data, if you check it, you see that we have v1 to be v, then we have v2 to be 2v, doubled here. Then our theta 1 is theta, then our theta 2 is unknown. Now let's refresh our memory. Recall that velocity of sound in air and temperature are related. They are directly proportional to each other, but v is proportional to the square root of theta, which is temperature. Are we together? So by expansion now, you know that v is equal to k square root of temperature. Is that clear? So we're going to ignore our constant k, so that v is equal to the square root of temperature. Hence, let's write our formula properly. v1, okay, is equal to the square root of theta 1 over v2 over square root of theta 2. Is that clear? Now let's substitute. By substituting into the formula above, then you know that our v1 is v divided by v2 is 2v is equal to the square root of our theta 1 is theta, okay, square root of theta, all divided by theta 2, which is the square root of theta 2. Theta 2 is unknown. That's what we are looking for. Is that clear? So cross multiplying now, what are we going to have? If you cross multiply this, you now have v multiplying the square root of theta 2, okay, and is equal to 2v times the square root of theta. I hope you are following. 2v multiplied by the square root of theta. So we are looking for theta 2. So let's divide through by v. Divide through by v. So if you do that, v will cancel out v. Then our square root of theta 2 will equal 2v multiplied by the square root 2v multiplied by the square root of theta, okay, all divided by v. So but remember, we are looking for theta 2, not the square root of theta 2. So let's square both sides. If we square both sides, then we have theta 2 left is equal to 2v multiplied by the square root of theta all over v. Then we square everything. I hope you are following. Then let's begin to expand it. So v will cancel out v. Are you with me? So that theta 2 is equal to 2 squared. Are you seeing that? 2 squared multiplied by theta, because this square will cancel out the square root you are seeing. I hope you are following. Please. Then our final answer becomes theta, which is theta 2, is equal to 4 theta. I hope that is clear. Thank you. Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.